In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Credit Karma Score Simulator. So it's actually quite simple. First, go to Google and type in Credit Karma Credit Score Simulator. And then you'll see the website, the first one, it's from Credit Karma, and it says Credit Score Simulator. Just open this up. And then over here, as you can see, they say they do have credit score simulators, and there's lots of reasons your scores could change, and the credit score simulator can help you explore some of them. Now, as you can see, you have many different ones over here, so there's different calculators. You can select these for open or close a credit account, change how I use my cards, change my payment habits, get new negative marks, etc. So you want to just open one of them. So let's say you wanted this one. Over here, as you can see, you will have to log in to view your score, and then from that, you'll see how much do you want to transfer to a new card, and you'll have to simply type that in, and then you will have the ability to simulate it. Now you can do this for every single thing over here, so you can click on each and every single one, for example, and you'll have to log in to see your score, and then you'll be able to simulate that. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.